What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. We are in Baker, California right now, literally in the middle of nowhere. I'm on my bike riding back to LA right now, and I have to come thaw my hands off. Man, it's cold as heck when you riding at freaking 80 miles an hour, give or take. Fingers is freezing. I didn't have to stop already and grab some of these little leather gloves. They not even doing the job because they like too small, but they better than my other ones so far. So we're a couple hours out of LA. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update, and I'll catch you guys on the next stop. So let's grab some gas back up, and then we should be good to go. Victorville, California, second stop. Just filled back up, $16. 4 gallons later. This should be our last gas stop before we hit the city. We're just about an hour outside of LA. Let's hop back on the road. Pray for me, and I'll catch you here. Oh, beautiful Los Angeles. Just made it, man. Hands is hurting, but we good, man. What's up, man? That shit pulled up quiet as fuck. So, dude with the yellow one just got a little Camaro to build in street race. Hit the hood, man. So he just grabbed this one. You about to street race this one or what? You said yeah? That's the plan, huh? Natural or boosted? Nitrous? Well, this motor will be blown up pretty soon, guys. I'm sure this one gonna be blown up pretty soon, man. This dude talking about nitrous and everything. Damn, see? God don't like ugly. Ooh-wee. This junk clean though. I like these T-top, man. This low-key make me miss my 4th gen Camaro. And this dude just got a 4th gen too. Bro just got his 4th gen. Man, both of them about to be cammed, I'm pretty sure. Wow, this thing is clean as heck. Okay, of course not. Fresh stocks on that joint. Thing clean, boy. Y'all gonna see next time I come out here, this thing should be running. We already got the Bumblebee, you already know about that. It's cammed, all the above. He just got that one, gonna be racing that one soon. Of course, we got the bike, but you already knew that. Hold on. Let's see. What's up, guys? Next day here, man. About to hop on the road. I got my fit ready to go, man. You know me, I gotta be fly every time I ride, man. But yeah, wish me luck as I ride back to the freaking desert in the middle of nowhere. Pray for me, y'all. Man, we are in Barstow, California, guys. And man, I had to ride through like 70 mile an hour winds like maybe like 30 minutes ago, dude. It was the freaking worst. I was about to pull over and I'm like, man, I might as well keep going and just go slow so I can get through this mug. So we finally got through. Now it's no wind, it's clear blue skies. So I'm trying to hop back on the road and hurry up before we get some wind over here, because it's supposed to be a little windy in Vegas today. So I'm pretty sure that wind that we just passed is gonna float its way all the way to Vegas. You know, we got our coffee, keeping our hands warm, and you know, we out here enjoying this breeze and this nice weather. It is pretty cold out, but I mean, the breaks that I take in between are pretty cool, so it all works out. So I'll catch you guys on the next stop. Oh man, and just like that, 6 layers of shirts, 3 layers of pants, and a hot shower later, man, and we are back in Vegas. Freaking whoop right now, dog. I swear I'm ready to sell that bike at this point. That wind had me. Whole different story, man. If y'all ever rode a Harley in a wind, man, let me know how that was for you. Cause like me, man, I'm definitely not feeling it. Turned me all the way off. I literally was riding like sideways the whole time. Yeah, good. I was riding sideways the whole time. Yeah.
I was riding sideways the whole time. I was like, so say what's up. Say we sold the Kia. We sold the Kia.
And yeah, guys, we did sell the Kia. We sold it for $3,500. I guess I'll do the price breakdown right now with you guys. We won the Kia Forte November like 23rd. I had got the title expedited, so the title should have came like literally a week and a half, 2 weeks after that. But something happened with the paperwork in the auction. They wasn't able to get me my title up into like about a week ago now. So now I'm able to sell the car and we're able to make something out of it. So I won the car at the auction for $2,300. It was a $100 key fee. It was about $200 in taxes and fees. And that was it to get the whole car. It was $2,600 for the whole car complete from the auction and everything. When we left the auction, the car was like cutting off and whatnot. So we ended up grabbing a map sensor, which was 80 bucks. So right there, we're at $2,680. So the whole like little tune-up oil special or whatever came out to like 128 bucks. That was for the oil change, the full synthetic oil change, the 2 brake lights that was out. It was that top middle one and the passenger one that was out. Also the cabin filter. So in total, all of those 3 things came up to $128, and that's literally all we put into it. I got a car wash, but like I told you guys in the previous videos, I have a membership for a monthly car wash. I pay like $20 a month, and I take all my cars through there as many times as I want to. So I'm not really going to count the car wash, but the total that we put into this car is we ended up selling the car for $3,500, which is a profit of, I honestly feel like I could have got a little more, maybe like $4 grand or something. But honestly, I've been having the car for long overdue, too long, to be honest. I'm just ready to get on with my buying and my inventory. A lot of you guys kept asking, why doesn't he buy anything? Why doesn't he buy anything? I have bill money, I have investment money, I have play money, I have make sure your shit is together money. You don't mix the two, you know? So I wanted to sell the Kia, then buy another car, because, you know, I got enough bills as it is. You know, we're getting older. I'm not the young guy that just didn't care like I used to and just blow money and just hope I get it back. I actually like to plan ahead now a little bit better. So with that said, yeah, man, car is out of here. We sold it for $3,500, and you know, there was nothing wrong with the car. We just had a couple little dents and stuff here and there, but literally nothing else was wrong with the car. Pretty great car, 88,000 miles. Now, I know some of you guys are gonna ask, why didn't you put it on Turo? Turo's platform, they don't allow cars with like check engine lights or airbag lights on, as you guys seen the Kia that I had that on there. So I couldn't really put it on Turo. And then even if I did wanted to put it on Turo, I didn't have the title yet to actually, you know, if anything happened while it was on Turo, you know, I wanted to be the owner and I wanted to have everything in my name. That wasn't the case up until like a week ago. So, you know, it is what it is. I wish I could have made some extra money on it, but I did make a few dollars from YouTube off those videos. So all in all, I think it was pretty fair. What do you guys think about the Kia Forte? I know I did overpay for that car. I should have stopped at about $2,000 or less, but I got stuck with it at $2,300. It is what it is. You know, we made our money back plus a little bit extra, so that's always a plus. But man, what do you guys think about the Kia Forte? Would you guys would have held on to it a little bit longer to try to get a little bit more money, or would you guys pretty much dumped it just like I did? Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think about that motorcycle trip we just took to LA. Man, it was so freaking windy. Like, I'm literally riding sideways the whole time on the bike because it was just so windy. So that kind of threw me off. Honestly, I'm just cool on the motorcycle right now. If you guys didn't know, the Camaro is gone. It's time to get another like main car. So I don't know if I want like a 2019 Camaro SS. I don't know if I want a Corvette, like a C7 Corvette, like a 2015 and up Jeep SRT. I don't want a Charger. Oh, and the BMW 6 Series. It's like out of those 4 cars. So we got the 2019 Camaro, we got the C7 Corvette, we got the Jeep SRT, and then a 6 Series Grand Coupe BMW. And I still got my 4 Giottos, my rims that came off my Camaro. So we're gonna throw those rims on whatever we get, and we have them painted up and give them a whole new look. So I'm ready for that, man. I'm ready for a new car. I'm ready to bring you guys something new to the channel, man. So if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the updates, man. We do got story mode, so I will be bringing you guys into a whole another side of the Everything's Regular channel, man. With that being said, please like, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. I appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much for everything you've done. I appreciate you guys, man. With that said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. It's about 3:45 in the morning here. If you guys don't know, I'm always on East Coast time, so I'm literally up at 2:30, 3 o'clock every day. But we do got an auction this morning, so I'll bring you guys this and I'll head to the auction. So, man, with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.